Here on the Car Vaults, the quest for genuine automotive reliability takes center stage. Today's feature is a cinematic unveiling of the trucks designed to outlast every curveball life can throw at them. Each pick has earned a reputation not through marketing, but through real-world durability and manageable repair costs. So let's jump straight in. A truly reliable truck isn't just a list of specs and power figures. What sets these legends apart is their resistance to catastrophic repair bills, even as they rack up over 250,000 miles of hard work. The segment's icons have been engineered with simplicity in mind, using robust components and avoiding overly complex electronics. This is why Toyota continues to dominate the reliability landscape, especially with its classic 22RE engine. As you watch, pay attention to the stories of drivers who see their trucks become generational workhorses instead of monthly headaches. With out-of-warranty repair costs sometimes hitting $1,000 or more, every reliable mile truly counts. The countdown begins. The Toyota 22RE engine, built between 1982 and 1995, stands in a league of its own. It doesn't dazzle with horsepower, but with a mechanical simplicity that lets trucks run up to 700,000 miles. The daily experience is one of quiet confidence. Owners report these trucks surviving missing spark plug wires and still hauling on, earning a legendary status among mechanics and enthusiasts. Moving up, the Toyota Tundra covering model years 2007 through 2021 also delivers extraordinary longevity. Its renowned 5.7 LV8 is engineered for minimal wear, making long-term ownership a joy rather than a gamble. These trucks regularly cross the 250,000 mile mark without requiring major overhauls, putting them at the top of the full-size reliability pyramid. American diesel icons like the Ford F250 Super Duty, equipped with the 7.3L Power Stroke engine manufactured between 1999 and 2003, are celebrated for their indestructible reputation. Drivers and fleet owners tell stories of these trucks passing 400,000 miles with basic maintenance, outlasting even newer competitors. The feeling is one of absolute trust. Whether at the job site or on endless highway stretches, you know the engine was built to endure. For those seeking car-like comfort without sacrificing reliability, the Honda Ridgeline offers a unique blend. Its unibody construction and dependable V6 mean this truck isn't a heavy-duty hauler, but it stands out for its consistently low repair frequency and positive owner experiences. You'll find the ride quiet and the features practical, making maintenance an afterthought rather than a worry. When it comes to mid-size reliability, the Toyota Tacoma, especially the 2005 to 2023 models, remains a top choice. Its overbuilt V6 and straightforward maintenance needs mean owners can count on these trucks for the long haul. While rust can affect some years, the overall ownership experience is highlighted by worry-free driving and straightforward fixes. Issues are rare and solutions are simple, providing a sense of security with every mile. Lower down but still worthy, models like the Ford Ranger and Ram 1500 Classic prove that simplicity often wins. Stripped of unnecessary features, these trucks keep maintenance costs low and put all their muscle into essential tasks. Owners find satisfaction not from gadgets, but from the reliability delivered year after year. The GMC Sierra and Chevrolet Silverado are strong options when you select the right year, but some versions require caution due to model-specific recall clusters and transmission issues. For a fun twist, consider this. The indestructible Toyota 22RE engine is so mechanically forgiving that it can run with failing components and still reliably get the job done. By contrast, the Chevy Silverado can project confidence but also hit owners with unexpectedly high repair costs if major failures occur. Ram diesel trucks are built for high-stress tasks but command steeper prices for part replacements and unscheduled fixes. As the curtain falls, the prize for durability and value truly belongs to Toyota's legendary platforms, especially those powered by the 22RE engine. These trucks represent more than transportation. They are durable companions, ready to handle decades of use. Choosing one means investing in reliability that has stood the test of time, supported by passionate owner communities and affordable maintenance. From the mechanical masterpieces of Toyota to the heavy-hitting diesels from Ford, the most reliable trucks remind us that simplicity, proven engineering, and a clear maintenance history are the keys to real automotive peace of mind. So which one would you trust for 500,000 miles of adventures? If you appreciate true automotive wisdom, make sure to show your support. Like, share, and subscribe to the Car Vaults. Ring the bell so you're first in line for every new reveal. Join us next time as we unlock the world of cars one vault at a time. See you on the next ride.